Hello, my dear students. How are you all? I hope you all are fit, fine, and safe at your homes. Yes? Very nice. Welcome back in our math class. Class 5th, Subject Mathematics, Chapter 5. Name of the chapter is Fractions. And this is our lecture number 4. And today's subtopics are addition and subtraction of fractions. We will do exercise 5b, question 3d part. And then multiplication of fractions and its properties. After that, we will do questions based on multiplication of fractions from exercise 5c, questions 1 to 3. Let's start with our exercise 5b. This is our question number 3, D part. A man gives 3/5 of his property to his wife, 1/8 to his son, and the remaining to his daughter. What part of the property did the daughter receive? Means एक मैन ने अपनी प्रॉपर्टी का 3/5 पार्ट वाइफ को दिया, then 1/8 पार्ट he has given to his son. Remaining means बचा हुआ पार्ट he has given to his daughter. Then what part of the property did the daughter receive? तो उस मैन की डॉटर को, बेटी को कितना प्रॉपर्टी का पार्ट मिला? अंडरस्टूड? सो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल तो हमें एज्यूम करना है कि मैन की प्रॉपर्टी है सपोज 1. ओके, देन अपनी प्रॉपर्टी का उसने कुछ पार्ट वाइफ को दिया, सन को दिया. तो जो हमने एज्यूम किया है दैट विल बी कंसीडर इन द second part of the solution. So first part of the solution will be there. We will do first addition of the property that is given to wife and son. Okay. So property given to wife 3/5 part and property given to son 1/8 part. Property given to wife and son 3/5 plus 1/8. Right. Now the denominators are 5 and 8. LCM of 5 and 8 is 40. Okay, 5 and 8. So product will be there. 5 8s are 40. Now denominator is 40. 40 divided by 5, you will get your answer 8. 8 will be multiplied with 3. Okay, numerator will be multiplied with the quotient, which we will get after division of the denominator. And division of this LCM with this denominator. Denominator को denominator से ही divide करना है, right? Now 40 divided by 8. 8 5s are 40. So 5 will be multiplied with numerator that is 1. So 3 into 8 plus 1 into 5 upon 40. Right? 8 3s are 24. 5 1s are 5. 24 plus 5 29. Denominator will be same everywhere, 40, 40. So the property that is given to wife and son is 29/40 part. Now we will assume the property of the man. Let the property is equal to 1. कि माना उस व्यक्ति के पास, उस मैन के पास 1 रुपए है, right? 1 part. Property given to daughter. 1 is the total property. And he has given some part of the property that is 29/40 to his wife and son. So to calculate the remaining, we will do subtraction, and that remaining property he has given to his daughter. So property given to daughter 1 minus 29/40. So LCM of 1 and 40 is 40. Okay. Now 40 divided by 1, you will get your quotient 40. 40 multiplied by the numerator 1. 1 into 40. Minus 40 divided 40, quotient is 1. So 29 into 1. 40 minus 29 is equal to 11/40. 40 minus 29/40, property given to daughter 11/40 part. Understood? Properties of multiplication of fractional numbers. Now we will understand these properties. Number 1, changing the order of fractional numbers does not change the product. Means if we are changing the order, left number is written to the right and right is written to the left, then there is no change in the product. So this example, we have done this in previous chapter also, but that was of whole numbers. Now it is fractional number. 2 upon 3 multiply by 7 upon 5. So if we are changing the order, 7 upon 5 multiply 2 by 3. So we can check, is it giving the same answer, both the sides. 7 2s are 14 and 5 3s are 15. So left side is giving us 14 upon 15. Right side, 7 2s are 14, 5 3s are 15. 14 upon 15. So when we are changing the fractional numbers, it does not change the product. Understood? Second property is here. A fraction multiplied by 1 is the fraction itself. Means when we are multiplying a fraction with 1, we are getting the fraction only. For example, 8 upon 9 multiplied by 1. So 8 upon 9 multiplied by 1 can be written as 1 upon 1. Okay. Now 8 ones are 8, 9 ones are 9. 8 ones are 8, 9 ones are 9. So we are getting only the fraction because we are multiplying 8 upon 9 with 1 and we are getting the answer 8 upon 9, the fraction itself. Okay. Now third property. The product of a fraction and 0 is 0. Means when we are multiplying the product with 0, we will get always 0. See how it is there? 14 multiplies 0. 0 can be written as 0 upon 1. Right? Now, 14 multiplies 0, 23 multiplied by 1. 14 multiplies 0 is 0. 23 ones are 23. So, 0 upon 23 will give us the answer 0 only. Now, after doing the properties, we will start exercise. Exercise 5C. Question number 1. Find 9 upon 3 of 5. Of means multiply. Okay, beta. So 9 upon 3 multiply by 5. Okay. You know that 3 ones are 3. 3 3s are 9. Cutting is there. So after cutting it is now 3 upon 1. 5 can be written as 5 upon 1 also. Right. 3 5s are 15. 1 1s are 1. 15 upon 1 means 15 only. So your answer is 15. Understood? Now first question, B part. Find 14 whole 1 upon 2 of 7. 14 whole 1 upon 2 is 14 2s are 28 plus 1, 29 upon 2. Of means multiply. 7 is 7 upon 1. Now we know that 29 cutting is not possible with 2. 7 cutting is not possible because these both are prime numbers. Right? So we will multiply 29 sevens. 29 multiplied by 7. 7 9s are 63, 3. Then 6 will be carry. 7 2s are 14. 14 plus 6, 20. So 203. If you have not done orally till now, then you can do in rough column. 203, 2 1s are 2. So it is 203 upon 2. Now 203 divided by 2. 2 1s are 2. Then 0 is there. And 2 zeros are 0. Then we will take 3. 2 1s are 2. Remainder is now 3 minus 2. 1. So our mixed fraction is, why we are doing division? Because improper fraction is here. Okay. So we will convert it into mixed fraction. So our answer will become 101 whole 1 upon 2. Q whole R upon D. Understood? Good. Now next is first question, E part. Find 21 upon 15 of 75 is equal to dash. So 21 upon 15 of means multiply 75 can be written as 75 upon 1. It is very much clear from here that 15 ones are 15 and 15 fives are 75. Right? So you will cut down here. Now it is left 21 into 5 upon 1 into 1. 21 fives are 105. If you are writing here 105 upon 1, then is equal to 105. That is also correct. And if you are writing here directly 105, that is also correct. Okay. Because you know that 1 into 1 will give you the denominator 1 only. Right? So our answer is 105. Now first question, I part. Find 1 upon 6 of 1 upon 3. Now both are the unit fractions. So 1 upon 6 of means multiply 1 upon 3. 1 into 1. No any cutting is there na. 1 into 1, 1. 6 3s are 18. So our answer is 1 upon 18. Right? Now let's move to our question number 2. Find the product. A part, 4 upon 3 multiply by 7 upon 9. But these questions are very simple. Only you need to do a little bit practice. When you will start doing the work in practice notebook, you will solve these parts within minutes. Okay, so do written practice. 4 upon 3 multiply 7 upon 9. Now you can see beta no cutting is there. आपने न्यूमरेटर को न्यूमरेटर से कटिंग नहीं करनी है. न्यूमरेटर को डिनोमिनेटर से काटना है, डिनोमिनेटर को न्यूमरेटर से. राइट? सो यू कैन सी दैट 4 इवन नंबर, तो इसकी कटिंग 3 से भी नहीं होगी, एंड विद 9 ऑल्सो नो कटिंग इज पॉसिबल. 7 इज ऑलरेडी प्राइम नंबर, 3 is prime number, so no cutting is there. We will multiply. 4 7s are 28, 3 9s are 27. 28 when divided by 27, orally you can find out 27 ones are 27, then remainder will be 1. So our whole this improper fraction will change into 1 whole 1 upon 27. You can check your answer also. Check करिए. 27 ones are 27 plus 1 28. 28 upon 27. Yes, correct? Right? Now, B part of question 2. 5 whole 1 upon 3 multiply by 2 upon 5. Okay. Now, you know that beta 3 5s are 15 plus 1. 16. 16 upon 3. Multiply 2 upon 5. Now 16 2s are 32. 3 5s are 15. Why we have done directly multiplication? Because cutting is not there. 2, 3, 5 all are prime, so no cutting is there. Now 32 divided by 15. 15 2s are 30. 32 minus 30, remainder is 2. So our answer will become 2 whole 2 by 15. Understood? Simple questions, huh? Now we will do question number 3. Question 3 is filling the blanks using properties of multiplication. We have done property, so let's do these fill-ups. A part is here. 5 upon 2 multiply 1 upon 3 is equal to 1 upon 3 multiply dash. Now we have done in our first property that changing the order of fractional numbers does not change the product. So if we are changing the order, then there is no change in the product. So they have changed the order 1 upon 3. 5 upon 2 was first fraction number. 1 upon 3 was second fraction number. Now 1 upon 3 is here written first. Multiply by missing is 5 upon 2. So we will write down in the fill-up 5 upon 2. B part, 15 upon 7 multiply 18 upon 3 is equal to 18 upon 3 multiply. Missing is 15 upon 7. Understood? C part. 18 whole 1 upon 9 multiply by 14 whole 2 upon 7 is equal to 14 whole 2 upon 7. Means now order is going to be changed. So 14 whole 2 upon 7 is here. Multiply by missing number is 18 whole 1 upon 9. Right? And D part, 13 whole 1 upon 6 multiply by 6 whole 1 upon 34 is equal to 6 whole 1 upon 34 multiply by, what is missing here? 34 whole 1 upon 6. So it will be written in fill up. Understood? Very good. Now it's time to take homework. Homework is solve question 3, A and C parts of exercise 5B in notebook and learn table of 18. Beta, these A and C, these are statement sums of addition or subtraction of fractional numbers. So we have done practice. So you will do now homework. If you are getting any problem, then you can tell me. Okay? Now let's do homework discussion of lecture 3. So question 1, 3 parts were given, I, K and L. So let's start. This was solved. 7 upon 1 plus 3 upon 4 plus 3 upon 4. So first of all, we will write down the question again. Then see the denominators 1, 4 and 4. So LCM of 1, 4 and 4 is 4. Right? Now LCM is 4. Now 4 divided by 1 will give you the answer 4. Multiplied by 7. 7 into 4. 4 divided by 4 will give you the answer 1. 1 multiplied by 3. 4 divided by 4 will give you the answer 1. 1 multiplied by 3. So it will become 7 4s are 28. 3 1s are 3. 3 1s are 3. And denominator is 4. After adding 28 plus 3, 31. 31 plus 3, 34. 34 upon 4. We know that cutting is possible with 2. So 2 2s are 4. 2 1s are 2. 2 7s are 14. Now it is 17 upon 2. 17 divided by 2. 2 8s are 16. Remainder is 1. So our answer will become 8 whole 1 by 2. Are you getting correct answer? Good. Now K part, 3 upon 4 minus 5 upon 8. Denominators are 4 and 8. So LCM of 4 and 8 is 8. 8 divided by 4 will give you the answer 2. 2 into 3 minus 8 divided by 8 will give you the answer 1. 1 multiplied by 5. 3 2s are 6 minus 5 1s are 5. So 6 minus 5 upon 8. 6 minus 5 will give you the answer 1. 1 upon 8. Denominator will be same. Now L part, 2 upon 1 minus 5 upon 4. Basically your solution has started from here only. You have to write down the question first. Now LCM of 1 and 4 is 4. Now 4 divided by 1 will give you the answer 4. So 4 into 2. 4 divided by 4 will give the answer 1. 1 multiplied by 5. 2 4s are 8. 5 1s are 5. 8 minus 5, 3 upon 4. Right? Table of 17 was given. Have you learnt? Yes? Okay, then let's revise one time. 17 1s are 17. 17 2s are 34. 17 3s are 51. 17 4s are 68. 17 5s are 85. 17 6s are 102. 17 7s are 119. 17 8s are 136. 17 9s are 153. 17 10s are 170. Revised? Very good. You have to revise the tables daily. Okay? And If you have got any answer wrong in your homework, then you have to do correction work 2 times. Okay, beta? Do practice of doing finding out the LCMs, doing cutting work, because always it is not possible to do small divisions. Okay, as we have done in these questions, cutting by 2, cutting by 3. So you have to do practice for that also.